Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back here with another video. I had like a lot of things going on, but yeah, today's video is going to be about the essentials you're going to need as a beginner to do nails. So everything I used and where I got them will be listed in the description box, so you can check that out later. Also be sure to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like the stuff that I put out today. Alrighty, let's start. Okay, so first you're going to need is your acrylic powder and your monomer. This is the brand that I use, and then the monomer, I recently just started using this, but I really do recommend. So yeah, I used them both together. Next, you're going to need your acrylic brush. This one is from KADS on Amazon, or CADS. I think it's CADS, but this is in a size 12. You can get your size 10 or size 8. I would also leave a link of where you can get these in Nigeria, just in case Amazon is like a bit too, far. This is the nail tips that I use. You're going to need nail tips, obviously. This is the one I use. I like these ones because they are stiletto, they make a good coffin, and they make a very nice short square as well. You could also use like the regular nail tips. I've got some of those, and then I've got other kinds of nail tips. I'll show you guys actually. Okay, so this is these are full cover stiletto nail tips, and the one on my other hand are coffin nail tips. They are great as well, but I really just prefer using the half cover stiletto ones. And then these are regular nail tips in natural and in clear. These are like the regular ones you could find like in a nearby store or on the road. They are great as well. Next, I use my Cuticle, sorry, my nail cutters. These are straight nail cutters. I use them to clip off the side of the nail tips or to trim down my nails. Next, I use my or you'd need, sorry, cuticle nippers or cuticle scissors. I recently got these ones as well. They cut really great and they are so sharp. Next, you'll need is a nail tip cutter. You can make use of these or scissors. These cut quicker though. Okay, so I've got nail files here with me. This one is a 100 nail grit file. This one is a 120 to 40. So the higher the numbers go, the lesser the grit. So one side of it is smoother and the other side is more coarse. And this is an 80. It's like the most coarse that I've got. And this one is 100 and a 180 grit. Two of these are from Macat, and then the others are you can get from regular stores. I majorly use this 100 grit and the 80 grit. They're like my to-go nail files actually. Okay, so next you're going to need acetone. This is the one I use. It's really small. You're going to need it to dehydrate, to soak off your nails, or to wipe off excess dust. You can also use alcohol as well. I've also got this brush. This one I took from my makeup box, and I converted it to like my dusting brush. And then I've also got these ones to wash the hands after I'm done with nails, to make sure that I've gotten off the excess dust. And now I've got this dampen dish. Now this dampen dish I took from, it was like an empty container for this. So yeah, I just once this is done, I'm going to convert it to a dampen dish. You want to conserve money anyhow that you can on like the cheapest of things. So yeah. Alright, so next you're going to need is your base coat and your top coat. These two are from OPI. You can get any one that you like, it doesn't really matter. My base coat I majorly use for as a base coat, and also to adhere my nail tips. So next you're going to need a nail lamp. If you're going to be working with gel polish, you need a lamp to cure your polish. This one is a 48 watt. I got from the SunUV official store on Aliexpress. And then I've also got this small one I use to cure my tips onto my nails. As you guys can see, it's really handy. So yeah, I recently just got that one as well, and then I've got my old one. Please, I'm so sorry if it's a little bit up, and I've used it for a very long time, you guys. I can't get those stains off of it, but it's really bit up, and I used to use this one before I got the bigger lamp, but it does work very well. Okay, so if you know you're not going to make use of gel polish, but you want a very good top coat, this Wet and Wild top coat is really great. And then I also forgot to mention that you're going to need cuticle pushers, obviously, to push back your cuticle, and then I use the other end, which is the scraper, to scrape off any excess any dead skin around the cuticle. Next, I use this nail drill. It's not powerful enough to like debulk the nail. I majorly use it to clean up the cuticle, which is like the major thing that I use for nail prep. So yeah, this is the my nail drill. It's a little bit up, as you guys can see. Again, I've had it for quite a while. Okay, so you guys, these are all of the essential things you'd need to do nails. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and bye.